course I want some. I've been hungry all day. Ahoy, adventurers! Welcome to another Do It Like Dana episode. Woo! Welcome back to the Boat Kitchen! It's another cooking episode. I don't know about you, but it's 10 a.m. and I'm hungry. I don't have that much time. I just want to eat something right away. We're going to be making some banana pancakes. This recipe only contains 2 ingredients and a couple of spices that are totally optional and should take about 20 minutes max. With that being said, let's dive in. The 2 main ingredients to this recipe are bananas and eggs. First step is to prepare the bananas. You want to break it up into smaller pieces so that they are easier to smash. Fork to smash. By the way, these aren't just any kind of bananas. These are ice cream bananas. These I just feel like are the best bananas. Yeah, who knew there were so many types of ice creams out there? Who knew there were so many types of bananas out there? What am I talking about? Of course, there's a hell of a lot of ice cream. Mash the bananas until it looks like a banana paste like so. Time for the eggs. I'm cracking 2 eggs here for 4 medium-sized bananas. And ta-da! You could stop and just like make this paste on its own right here. Use this as a pancake batter, but we're gonna add some spices to spice things up. A splash of vanilla extract, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Because I love just chai-inspired flavors, I'm going to use some cardamom. And then you just mix it up. And that's the pancake batter. Now we're ready to cook. A game changer is coconut oil. It's going to add so much flavor to your pancakes. You want to make sure your pot is like smoking hot for this so that you can cook it quickly. Spatula, and then just pour any kind of size pancakes you want. Another thing that I like to do is make sure the oil is getting to all the pancakes, so just spread it around. Guys, I wish you could smell how good it is. Once you can kind of see the bubbles forming, the edges getting crispy, you know that it's ready to flip. So for some reason, like cooking on the boat, I feel like everything, the liquid kind of like tilts back just a little bit. And so I feel like this stuff on this side takes a little bit longer to cook than on that side. This one's a little burnt. Some more coconut oil. I'm pretty generous with the amount of coconut oil that I put on there. In the meantime, let's cut some strawberries. Okay, y'all, it's plating time. About 4 bananas and 2 eggs made 12 pancakes, about like hand size. I'm just gonna add some toppings, some strawberries. And you're going to add some blueberries on the side. You top everything off. You're going to add some date syrup. So it just tastes so good. It's better than sugar, as the bottle says. It's a great alternative to maple syrup as well. It comes from the actual date fruit, so it just feels and tastes a little bit more natural. Drizzle that all over, maybe a little bit on the fruits as well. And this is the final product. They look so fluffy and crispy, and it was super easy to make. Just 2 main ingredients. If you want to add spices, go for it, and then just your favorite toppings. We're trying the banana pancake.
See how these things are.
That was a really big bite you got there.
Okay, magnifique. And I like that it's only made with a couple of ingredients. Less ingredients, the better. Looks good. Smells good. I wish you guys could smell this. Warm. Oh my god. That's good stuff. This is a pancake right here. I love the date syrup too. This is very nice. Is this all for me? You don't want any, right?
Of course I want some. I've been hungry all day. Bye, adventurers. Thank you for watching another episode in the Boat Kitchen. And let us know in the comments if you did it like Dana. See you next time.